Let's make a pulled barbecue chicken sandwich, y'all. Go ahead and place your slow cooker liner inside for easy cleanup. You're gonna clean and prepare your chicken. You're gonna season the chicken to your liking. I had light salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. I'm going to go in with a ranch seasoning pack. I'm gonna be using Cattleman's Carolina Tangy Gold. So we're gonna do a cup a tablespoon of the W sauce. I don't know how to say it, but there you go. I never know how to say it. I'm not about to butcher this name now. Tablespoon of the W sauce. I let Judah put it in, so that's why I didn't get a clip of that. We're gonna use some brown sugar, doesn't matter, dark brown. We're gonna get 2 tablespoons of this. All right, so we got 2 tablespoons of brown sugar in there. We're gonna stir our things together gently because we do have a plastic bag here and we don't want to puncture the bag. It kind of defeats the purpose of having it. Give us a thumbs up. Say I did it. Mixing. We're going to cover and allow it to cook on high for 3 to 4 hours or on low for 6 to 7 hours. So I'm gonna do high 3 to 4 or low 6 to 7. We open it up and it looks like this. It's like it's starting to shred, so I'm gonna use my little wooden spatula to see if I can kind of get it broken up a little bit more. I only use 1 pack of chicken only because my family does not do well with leftovers. All right, so this is like the look that we're going for. We want it to look like that. That looks good. All right, you're gonna like scoop it out with something that you can kind of drain all the extra liquid off so you can really get chicken. And dress it with pickles. That's how it looks. So it has pickles on it. Serving it with some fries. You can add coleslaw. You can do mac and cheese, green beans, baked beans. We are going to try our burger, our barbecue slider. Again, I just put pickles on mine. I don't do the whole coleslaw stuff. It could be warmed up. It's not hot enough for me, but it's good. It's good. It's like falling off the bone. Good. Try it.